Hello everyone, welcome to CurdWave. Today I am going to discuss about UI, UX and CX concepts. So, which are often confusing and mixed up for the people outside the user experience community. UI is certainly not UX. It doesn't reflect the entirely of a user experience during a particular journey, but it is one or multiple elements that are part of that user experience. So here I am going to make this simple with an example of cup of coffee. Assume you are visiting a coffee shop. Check the price list and various flavor in a display where they have many flavor as well as very reasonable price. Assume you choose caramel coffee and paid the bill digitally. You bought a caramel coffee and the look of coffee matching with your expectation means coffee is like hot, foamy and steamed. Place coffee in large mug topped with whipped cream and additional caramel sauces. So UI is more related to how it looks, and of course it will be critical to make a first impression of the product. So now next move to the UX. The moment when you hold the large mug of coffee in your hand, you took a sip and start enjoying with means you are experiencing the product. It is not only the look and feel but the taste and handling of cup, which means it is giving you wow feeling, and that is called user experience. User experience means a user has with the brand during a journey across a single channel. Will probably involves multiple UIs which are used at different stage of that journey. We often think of aesthetic or UIs when we think of UX, but it applies to all touch points a brand has with the customer and all of their journeys. So now here, like you have visited the coffee shop, selected the coffee flavor, and here you paid the bill and have the coffee. So while you are having a coffee, you are getting the experience, and before that, while you look at the cup of coffee or coffee mug, how it is giving feeling, that's the UI, how it looks, and the experience is the UX. So now we recollect the experience from finding the vendor and having the coffee, like coffee shop was near to your house and he had varieties of flavors and displayed it with the price. Price was reasonable, taste was awesome, and vendor was behaving well. Soap was clean and hygienic. He kept a trash can near his soap. He is accepting digital transaction. So when you take a walk through all the elements, you are in an aura of experience which is called the customer experience. So customer experience should be considered as the sum of all touch points a brand has with its customers across any channel and at any time. It is not only UI or UX making the customer experience a great success. There are a lot of other factors which actually makes the customer experience great. Hence they become a loyal customer and also helps in generating more customers. So here is a journey of a customer to buying a coffee, having a taste of coffee and giving a feedback. The result is generating a more customer. It's a kind of user journey which include all the 3 points, all the 3 aspects, which is UI, UX and CX. I hope this video is helpful to you for understanding and differentiating between UI, UX and CX. Thank you. Thank you very much.